Yeah.
Alright, how many of you now?
One.
Just one being tested?
Yes.
Okay, and a couple of questions for you. Have you got some hand sanitizer?
Yeah.
Good.
In my bag, babe.
Are you allergic to latex?
No.
And have you been here before?
No.
Right, so I'm going to get you a kit and I'm going to go through it with you. There'll be instructions for the kit, but I'll take you through it first, alright?
Sure.
Leave you with it down a little bit. Okay,
Yeah.
so I don't want you to open your kit just yet, alright? Leave it tactical. You're going to go on with gravels in that. But when you open your kit, you'll find a swab which looks like a long copy bud and a test tube bottle in it. So with that swab, I'd like you to take it to the back of your throat and swipe the back of your throat and around your tonsils for around 10 seconds. Good swipe. Try not to touch the side of your mouth or your tongue. It's not good for the test. Then with the same swab, up one nostril, just to the bridge of your nose, don't give yourself a nose speed. Twiddle that around for between 10 and 15 seconds. And then the same thing at the other nostril. When you've done that, I'd like you to get the swab, stick it into the test tube, snap it off so it fits in nicely, and put the top on the test tube.
Okay.
When you've done that, you've completed the test, and my colleagues will come along and take you through the bagging up process.
Alright.
It's not difficult, but if you get it wrong, you'll have to do the whole thing again. It's not the most pleasant thing you're going to do today.
Okay.
Alright, so good luck with that. Nice and
Thank you.
gentle.
Thank you.
Park either on the left or right on the gravel there.
Alright, yeah. Thank
Any
you.
problems? As a board,
Yeah. Cheers. Thank you.
You should have the test tube and the white pad. They need to go in the clear bag first.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.